Okay, this is the third Loopster Game Center. It's called the Integer Edition, and the way that it works is, again, it's Loopster puzzles, but every puzzle in the entire book is going to have positive and negative numbers. Uh, as you notice, I did not put positive signs in front. I was afraid of confusion with addition for now. So all negative numbers have a negative sign in front of them. Again, the logic is exactly the same. There's going to be, this is a 4 by 4. You need a 1, a negative 5, a negative 8, and a 9 in every row and every column. There's only one way to do that to get it to work, and there will be addition puzzles, subtraction, multiplication, division. There's all kinds of integer puzzles. I'll solve this one, but again, it's the same logic as all the first two game centers. So if you're skipping to the integer, this game center, you might want to go back and watch the first one. It's called the Loopster Game Center Multiplication Edition, which lays out all the basic ground rules for Loopsters. Okay, we're doing addition only. What two numbers down here add up to negative 13? Well, let's grab a pen real quick. And here we go. The only two numbers are, of course, negative 5 and negative 8. Now, we don't know which one goes on top and which one goes on bottom. So again, I call these baby numbers. I put my cute little baby number right here. Now I come to this one. Two numbers add up to negative 7. Now, obviously, it's going to be my 1 and my negative 8. But I already have a negative 8 in my first column, so this has got to be my 1 and my negative 8. Now, looking in my first column, I've used up my 1, my negative 5, and my negative 8. So by process of elimination, the only number I haven't used in the first column is the 9. Now, 9 plus what number is going to give me 4? Well, obviously, that's got to be my negative 5. 9 and negative 5 is positive 4. Come across here. Now I need to make a 1. Looking down here, I know it's the 9 and the negative 8, but I already have a 9 in the bottom row, so this has got to be my negative 8. This has got to be my 9. Process of elimination, I used up my 9 and my two negatives, so this has got to be the 1. A 1 combined with what gives me negative 4? Well, obviously a negative 5. Come up here to my 4. How do I make one of those? Well, again, it's with my 9 and negative 5, but I already have a negative 5 in the last column, so that's got to be my 9 and my negative 5. Negative 7, how do I make that? Well, negative 8 and positive 1, but I already used my 1 in the last column, so this has got to be negative 8, positive 1. Come to my 10, that's 9 and 1, but I have a 1 in the top row, so this has got to be 9, and this has got to be 1. Now, at the beginning, remember, I didn't know which way the two numbers went, but now that I know I have a negative 8 in the top row, this has got to be the negative 5. This has got to be the negative 8, and you can see that that works out. So again, this entire book works exactly like all Loopster puzzles. They're just all integers, adding, subtracting, multiplying, dividing, multiple operations. And again, at the back of the binder book is another set of answer keys. And again, they're broken into groups. The name of it is given. And you'll see it gets a little more spread out when I do the answer keys. But basically for puzzle 4-1 of addition and multiplication, the answers go negative 7, 3, 9, negative 4. Then its second row is 9, negative 4, 3, negative 7. This is so you have a set of the answer keys if students ask to check, and maybe you can just refer to the answer key and it will be there. This video is much shorter because, again, I'm assuming that you've watched the videos for the beginner Loopster books, which is the multiplication and the all operations.